If you have several stocks from the same sector, I would choose the one with the highest ADR and the best setup. Like which one has the best setup? And you have two that are, you know, about the same, you go with the highest ADR one. Or you could go with the ETF. It depends. It depends. Because then if you go with the ETF, you remove the individual stock risk. But the ETF may not be the best setup or the highest ADR. So, you know, it depends. VTSI EP, I'm not sure. Don't know. I haven't looked at the numbers. Maybe. QRVO, it's another semi name. Yeah, I'm not sure this is a great trading stock. It's not really a... It's kind of all over the place. I think this kind of stock is better used trading off the weekly. It is building a big flag, that it is doing. Maybe I may trade it, but I don't recommend any of you guys trading this thing. There are more explosive things out there. Disca and VIAC, do I expect a big bounce? I don't know. I have no idea. No idea if they even will bounce. Obviously, I'm in them because I think they can bounce, but if they can bounce big, I don't know. If the same actor that kept buying it here and now they sold it here, there's no reason for it to like bounce back. Like it's different with maybe stuff like Baidu and TME because they're much bigger. I don't know. I don't know. And also like both, I think, was it TME and VIPs that announced buybacks? So these things, you know, the companies themselves are supporting the stock price. These things, I don't know. We'll see. ASO EP. Did they report? AMRX for a breakout, it's not a good setup. It needs more time. And also in this market, you know, be really careful what you're buying for breakouts, okay? This is not an easy no-brainer where everyone makes money type of market anymore. You know, you gotta be super selective. Really make sure it's something special if you're gonna buy breakouts. Just still time for patience. This is where the bases are being built. If you have patience during base building periods, then you can profit a lot once the bases have been built. And right now we're in a base building period. You're right, he didn't blow up fast, but he did blow up. Or at least his funds did. I don't know about his personal net worth, but... Well, it was a family office, so I guess it was mostly his money. My point is, you are gonna blow up. That's my point. Let's not get stuck on technicalities. Oh, I know TSM looks incredible fundamentally. I know. I know. That's part of why I like it. Technicals, if you can combine fundamentals and technicals, you're gonna have super returns. Now you can, I don't know if you can trade off of purely fundamentals, but obviously you can invest off of purely fundamentals and have good returns. And you can trade purely off technicals, but if you can trade combining fundamentals and technicals, Oof. MU earnings tomorrow, alright. Hopefully can gap up on earnings over this 88 area and then go. This MU is a great trading stock. It's a high price, it's very liquid, it's very technical friendly. If you study the runs it had in 2013 and 2017, 2013 and 14 and 2016 and 17, and also maybe 2018. Oh yeah, 2016 to 2018. You'll see it's technically very friendly trading stock. No, stocks don't only go up. If you believe that, you're gonna blow up faster than Bill Wang. Maybe I should have shorted this XPI. Man, this breakdown is so clean. Look at this series of lower highs. This thing couldn't get up for air. It's a sign of weakness. Look at the beautiful 5-star breakout this index had here, or this ETF. Look at this. That's a 5-star. Can you recommend any sources on how to use margin correctly? Yes, my YouTube videos. Like I talk a lot about margin. And honestly, if you have to ask the question, like, you probably shouldn't touch margin. Pretty much, you only use margin if things are going well. Margin is to be deserved. You have to deserve margin. Just because it's there doesn't mean you deserve using it. Don't be a privileged brat. It's something you have to deserve. I'm not calling you personally a privileged brat. I'm just saying generally. That's all you need to know about margin. If things are not going well, don't even try touching margin. No one should be trading with a cash account. Everyone should get a margin account. But just because you have a margin account doesn't mean you have to use the margin. I don't even get the point of cash accounts. Yeah, Baidu was a parabolic long. I just didn't trade it. It was a perfect parabolic long setup. Look at this thing. It was down 32% in 3 sessions. And this is a large cap. Actually, it was a mega cap stock just a few weeks ago. Yeah, that's a big move. It had one leg lower. It went down 22%. Had a little bit of a bounce. Had a second leg lower. Was down another 25%. And here was third leg lower. The third day on the third leg. That was a 5-star parabolic long. I wish I did it. But unfortunately I didn't. Well, the entry on this thing was when it broke when it stopped going down and built this first green 60-minute candle, and the break of that was the entry. Mara was a $5 stock back in November. I know, I bought it at $5. Oh no, Mara, I bought it in the 2s. I know, trust me, I know. I know everything about Riot and Mara. I was in them way early. Unfortunately, I didn't hold them all the way up. Like, all I want from the market, like, I'm a simple guy. I don't want much. I don't demand much. But I would love to. I would love if the market gave us a $10 million opportunity. I know, it's not asking for much. I just want one $10 million opportunity. And free Nocco. Yeah, that's all I ask. I don't ask for much. I'm tired of trading these small cap stocks that double, triple, these micro caps with no size. I need something big. My biggest hope for now is AMAT and LRCX. If these things work out, could be a $10 million opportunity. What's the other one I liked? It was AMAT, LRCX. There was one that I was whining and moaning and bitching that I didn't buy. Which one was it? KLAC, thanks. Oh man, you guys are sharp. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. That's the one. Yeah, okay.